Would you like to supersize your super and take full advantage of all those lovely tax benefits that only super can offer? Who wouldn't? The good news is there are plenty of ways to do this, if you know about them. That's where professional advice comes in. Pre-tax contributions could save around 20% in tax right off the bat. Government co-contribution up to $500 each per year. Spouse contributions up to $540. Catch-up concessional contributions up to $100,000 per couple. The downsizer contribution option up to $600,000 per couple. Small business one-off contribution up to $1.48 million. And let's not forget investment options, including geared investments. Over the long term, these can make an enormous difference to the size of your super. Don't want to miss out on these and many other opportunities? Not sure how and when to act on them? Simple. Get professional advice.